Hello children, back to chapter number 1 of standard 7, that is integers. Let's begin with the second question. The second question reads as, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. This generally doesn't happen with you in your exams. We don't give you marks as -2, -3. Okay, but in this particular quiz, it was done. So, if Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total strength? The total at the end. Total scores we are supposed to find. Okay, in your examination, you get, if the question contains, it is of 4-mark question, either you get 4 or less than 4, but the least marks that is given is always 0. That means out of a 4-mark question, you may get the marks as 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. You never get marks lesser than 0. Negative marks are not given. Herein they are there. So then how to add them? Because we are supposed to find the total. So the solution reads as Jack's total score equal to. We are just adding everything. 25 is written plus. Plus means addition. Because we are finding out the total, we have to add. So 25 plus. The next number is -5. Whatever is having a negative sign, enclose it in a bracket. That is how you may avoid confusion later on, and make it compulsory. It is actually compulsory. Okay, then the third score, that is -10, is added. So it is written plus, again a bracket, inside the bracket it is -10. Then the next two scores are positive, so it is just +15 +10, simple enough. Only you have to be careful when you are writing the negative values. You enclose it in the bracket. This is how you get the first statement. Now, the second step for solving such question, it is this, wherein 25 is a positive number, it is just written as it is. The next, it was plus minus 5. The product of plus and minus is minus. So, plus of -5 becomes -5. Again plus minus 10. Plus minus becomes minus. So the solution is, it becomes -10. The rest +15 +10 as it is. Okay. Now if you read the second statement here, it is 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Okay. How to solve it? So children, the best method is solve the first two, then the next two. That is how you continue. So I have solved it, and 25 minus 5 gives you 20. The rest, all the numbers are written as it is. Do nothing to other numbers. Here you have more steps, but perfection will be there. You will avoid mistakes. So just solve 25 minus 5, get 20. Rest all copy down. Next statement, 20 minus 10, that is 10. Rest all numbers just copied down. Now here all the numbers are addition. You can directly add them, or you can add 10 to 15, that is 25. Then plus 10 gives you 35. Okay. So the total score for Jack comes out to be 35. Next question now. Question number 3. Again Srinagar. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped, that is went down, decreased. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Let's work on the first part of the question initially. Then we'll come to the next. So children, Solution, first statement reads as temperature on Monday. Very simple, it's just written from the question. So temperature on Monday, it is minus 5 degrees Celsius. How much drop was there? How much the temperature decreased? By 2 degrees Celsius. It is decreasing, that means we have to subtract. So the temperature on Tuesday will be initial temperature on Monday, that was minus 5, minus 2. Why minus 2? Because the temperature is decreasing, it has to be subtracted. Okay. Now how do we solve minus 5 minus 2? So when two negative numbers are there, we add them, minus, minus. Okay. So negative added to negative, you have to just add them. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and sign is always given of the greater number. So 5 has a negative sign, so the final answer is also negative sign. So the answer is minus 7 degree Celsius. The next part of the question, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Children, on Tuesday the temperature was minus 7. From here the temperature is rising. Rising, that is more. If it is more, we have to add. So to find the temperature on Wednesday, we will start with Tuesday's temperature, that is minus 7 degrees Celsius, and it is now rising, so it is plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4. That means we have to subtract. One negative, one positive. So we have to subtract. 7 is subtracted, 4. 7 minus 4 gives you 3. Sign of the greater, so sign of the 7 is minus 3. So the temperature on Wednesday was minus 3 degree Celsius. With this, we come to the end of this video. We'll continue with the next question in the next video. Thank you for now.